My name is Dageng Liu, Country Representative for the United Nations World Food Programme in Timor-Leste. We're supporting the government to deal with two crises at the moment in the small island nation of 1.3 million, one being COVID-19 and the other Cyclone Seroja. COVID cases have been increasing sharply in Timor-Leste since March 2021, and a strict lockdown has been imposed. Disruptions in the supply chain has impacted the country's food system, leading to high food prices. Prices have increased by 20 to 30%, making it hard for people to put enough food on the table. Cyclone Seroja came at a time during maize and rice harvesting season, leaving thousands of hectares of land underwater. This is extremely worrisome as the country already has higher malnutrition rate among children and women.